In the Cook Islands, we call it Ura Koni in Aitutakian. Now, in English, it's round the world, okay? Round the world in 40 days, just like the children of Israel, 40 days in the desert. So, our warriors and our beautiful girls, please don't run away. Just stay there. They will come and get you and come here and join with us, okay? We'll reverse our role. Kapai, okay?